Alright, hello everyone. These are LED fog lights for the 2019 4Runner. They originally came with Highlanders and Tundras from 2018, but then in 2019 they decided to add it to the 4Runner. So they're not rigid headlights like the other TRD Pros get for 2019. The Tacoma and the Tundra came with rigid LED fogs, but for the 2019 4Runner, you could get the option to go with the LED fogs, which are these exact units here. So if you do want to replace your old fog lights, like I'm about to do on a older 4Runner, you can do that. So these are just the standard halogen, and they will take the LED fogs. I'll post the part numbers. You can get these online from anywhere from about $102 up to $130, somewhere in that range. But they're a lot cheaper than the different LED units that are out there. You can get LED bulbs that will run about $120. But this one's nice because it has the heat sink. It's there. It's all one unit. And these are the black, that plastic that's around the LED, the background. These are the black. They also come in, I think it's like a chrome or a white, but the black ones are what's pictured here. To install the fog lights, you're going to need a 10mm socket, and you're going to remove 4 screws on this side. There's one up here, 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 and then there's going to be 2 underneath. Down there. Once you do that, you can open up this plastic flap to get in, and then once you pull this plastic back, you're going to get behind here, and that's the factory light assembly right there. You're going to disconnect it, and then there's going to be 2 screws. That's it. From there you can remove it. So this just shows you the factory unit. So it's going to be facing like this, and it's going to have 2 screws just here and here. You'll notice on this other side those screws actually weren't even used, so just the 2 on this end, and then this is the replacement. So I'll put the 2 screws here, I'll leave those out, and then you just plug it in right there. So this is the stock, and then here's the LED replacement. You'll notice they're marked for left and right, so this one has an L on the bottom side, so I know it's the left side. Here's the stock fog light, the halogen unit, and then over here is the LED. So yeah, you can tell the LED just looks a lot better. Try to add some light to it so you can see. Yeah, it just looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. Whereas here is the other one. Alright, I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but on the left is the LED, and then on the right is the halogen. So if you look at it from here, you can see a nice difference. So there's the LED, you can see the straight line across, and then this side is the halogen. So you can really see the difference. Looking straight at it, that's the original, and then there's the LED. Alright, this kind of gives you a good idea. So far driving around with the LED, it definitely shines a lot further to the side. So that's the stock on the right. You can see that whole side on the right there is dark, but on this side it's clearly lit up. But straightforward, I mean, it looks awesome. You can definitely see where it falls short on the front end, like right in front of the car, whereas on the halogen, it kind of spills everywhere. But definitely you can see the halogen on the right has that clear line where it doesn't go any further to the right, whereas on the LED, I mean, it's shining that whole section of the grass over there. And you can tell even, I mean, look at from here. Look at how much spill I'm getting As I move forward, you can see it going forward. I mean, it's hitting that whole grass section over there. That's a good, I don't know, 30 feet. On the passenger side, there's this additional shroud that covers up the light. You're going to need to remove it. See if I can get this in here. You're going to need to remove it and get rid of this clip. So that's clipped in. You have to push a screwdriver right here. See if I can get that zoom in. Yeah, push a screwdriver right here, and that will pop that shroud out, and then you can access the two screws. Alright, so just to close, I guess, I will post the part number for these, and if the Toyota dealership says, hey, these aren't for your VIN number or your model year, because this is a 2014, well, you know that it will fit, even if they question it, because they may say, hey, it's only for a 2019 4Runner, but it will fit. And I've seen videos on YouTube for, I think it was the Tundra. Obviously, it would fit the Tundra. 2018s, that's what they're listed under, but probably earlier models also. All right, thank you for watching.